I'm Alex Paulton. I'd like to welcome you to another episode of Talking Timepieces, where we talk about watch collecting and horology. Today, we're looking at the last watches in this box full of loaners that Fortis sent me. We're going to look at the F41, which we have here in two sizes. So let's turn the camera around and take a look at this really sharp watch. So here is the Fortis Flieger. This is the F41. It's the 41 millimeter sized watch. They also offer the same watch in a 39. This is the F39. So you can have a choice for larger or smaller wrists. But in all, this is a very clean three-hander. It's got 50 hours of power reserve, I believe. Let's look real quick what the total power, 38. It's got a 38-hour power reserve, which isn't bad. It's, you know, not, but then again, I've never been one to say power reserve is an indicator of quality. This is a very rugged piece, 200 meters of water resistance. It is very much in line with Fortis as a tool watch. It has screwed lugs, screw down crown. It does offer a timing bezel. It's a 12-hour timing bezel. So you can actually use it as kind of like a bit of a timer or maybe quasi GMT, because you do have this very solid, it's very solid, has very positive clicks, bidirectional timing bezel. So it is a sharp piece in that sense. Of course, as a Flieger, highly visible, easy to read, very bright. It's got a solid case back, but you know, they're not shooting for fancy with this. They're shooting for functional daily wear tool watch. It has the block bracelet, which is on all the other newer ones, and it's got the micro adjustment bracelet as well, which is a great feature to have. It's just a good looking piece with a lot of performance. 200 meters of water resistance, screw down crown, very solid and sharp presentation. Let's see what it looks like on the wrist. Just had my other watch off so I don't have to do a wristwatch check. Close up that those links. And as you see, the strap's a little loose on me, but you can see that it fits nicely. It sits well on the arm. It has good wrist presence, and as I was saying, it really is a very sharp tool looking, rugged but clean presentation watch. There are a lot of pieces that shoot for this look, but Fortis pulls it off quite well, and it is a very, very solid watch. Well, that was the F41 Fortis three-hander Flieger. A really rugged, nice tool watch that, yeah, it's everything in Fortis. You know, their pieces really are very tool watches, very rugged, very competent, and they look it. Thanks for watching. Tell your friends. Please subscribe.